Welcome back, broskies and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time here, let me officially welcome you on board. And if this isn't your first time here, welcome back. Over here, you already know we react to funny comedy skits, have a laugh, chill, and catch a vibe. So if you want to be part of the family, part of the gang, you know exactly what to do. We have something totally new. Today we have egg prank gone wrong. So basically what they do, pick an egg and they crack it against their kid's head or their partner's head or whatever. So let's see how wrong it can get. And without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the video. She's shocked. Excuse me.
Let me crack this egg.
What was that? Okay. Oh, what was that? Okay.
Let me crack this egg.
Oh, she's milking it.
That wasn't on me. Hey!
Sorry.
That wasn't very nice. That wasn't very nice.
Oh.
Can I do it to you?
Oh. Done. She's cute. How old is she? It reminds me of how young my son was.
You wanna try something?
They grow so fast.
This is a
kids.
raw egg. Usually we crack it like this. Do you wanna do something silly with me?
Yeah, you
You
wanna?
wanna crack this on my head?
Yeah.
Okay. Crack it on my forehead. Ah! Go, on my head. And crack it like this. Go boom on my head. Because I said you can, okay? Yeah, harder.
No.
You don't want to?
Aw,
Harder.
that's so sweet.
You don't want to? Okay, you don't have to. I'm saying you can because I'm letting you do it. 'Cause
I want to do it, Tommy.
you don't want to do it on my head?
Kids are
You
sweet.
want to do it on there?
Sometimes kids are so sweet. They're so sweet, but sometimes though, bruh, it feels like you want to put them back in your balls and just like, you know what? You need a vacation. Come here, stay there for like 2 weeks. I want like rest, peace of mind for like 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I can push you out of my balls again, if that was possible. Nah, kids are sweet, but sometimes, bro, you can't stand them.
Can I crack it on your head? No. What if I didn't ask you and I just came up to you and I cracked it on your head? Would that make you upset?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I shouldn't do that, right?
I will do that to you.
No, we have to ask, right?
This is how you know how we as adults are really fucked up. Like we adults, we are so fucked up. Now she gave the egg to her child and gave him the full permission to do whatever he wanted to do, like crack the egg on her forehead. And he thought about it and he was like, nah, that's not nice. I wouldn't do it. Not especially to my mom. But we adults, we would do it thinking, oh, we're just having fun, we're just playing, like bang. And deep down the child, they are hurt and they don't understand why, Even if you try to explain, oh, it's a joke and try to be sweet afterwards, they're still hurt, like, because they will never understand, was that necessary? They don't get the joke, you feel me? Yeah, now we adults, we are fucked up. We are way fucked up.
If we want to do something like that.
Bro cannot understand what just happened.
Is there a problem?
No,
There's no problem?
no.
There's no problem.
What?
What do you mean? What?
I thought it'd be easier to crack it on
On
you
my
than-
head?
Yeah. Sorry, it called for 2 eggs.
How can I believe you right now?
It called
I
for
get
2
that.
eggs. I had to do 2 eggs. Sorry.
You done lost your mind.
What? I just
You
figured
don't
since you're so
love
hard headed, you know, it worked better than the couch.
Why is he flinching like that? Is she abusive?
Huh? Moisturize it. It's good for
Why
the
is he
skin.
flinching like that?
Why are you wiping it?
Why is he wiping
So
it?
you want your stuff scrambled or sunny side? Which one?
I'm about the sunny side, put my foot up your.
You're so ungrateful. How them eggs taste?
Wait.
Wait.
What eggs? What eggs, bro? No, I'm still mad at you.
You want to help me make a drink?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so we gotta use these eggs, and I'm gonna put the egg inside, okay? Okay? Okay. How many eggs? 2 more?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. How many more eggs? 1 more egg. You crack that egg. And then we're gonna put some of this in. Here,
Stop doing that.
What happened? What
That,
happened?
you
What are you doing?
That look.
What?
You made me all this.
Huh? Why? Hey! Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that?
Dad, then why you do that to me?
I'm kidding. It's okay.
Oh, you see that? You see. I don't like when kids start. Oh man, this is like playing with a child's emotion. I don't like that, bro. Ever since I became a parent, yeah, there are just some things that I see differently. You know, I don't like the emotions being played with. I know it's a joke, but they wouldn't understand it's a joke at that particular point in time. They would not understand that's a joke, and it fucks them up. Now she's aggressive. Oh, I don't know.
This will be a big mess. You cracked that on my head.
Yeah.
Is that good?
But no, he's sweet. He's sweet. He's sweet.
You me?
He doesn't know what to do, bro.
I thought you got some in my head.
Yeah, I like that one. That was good.
What the fuck? Ow!
Everyone said, "What the fuck?"
Mom, you're not. Oh. Mom!
One egg.
Ow. Hey! Ow! Mom, why did you do that?
Yo, nah, that was hard. That was extra hard, bro. The way she moved her hand, like that was hard. Look at Brody's face. That was hard. That was hard. Why is she doing it like she got? Nah, that was right. She deserved that. She deserved that. How she was doing it, that was a little bit too hard. Nah, she deserved that. She deserved every bit of that. That's crazy.
Mom! I'm gonna crack this on your head.
Egg.
I knew it.
I knew it.
Oh! Why?
What if he's spitting inside the bowl and you have to go and eat that thing, bro? It's like Drew. Bruh. Oh my days, bro.
Egg prank gone wrong on my kid.
Wait.
Okay.
You want to take one?
Where?
All right. So just hold it.
Ah! Sorry.
Sorry. Sorry. Ah man, these videos are funny, bro. Sorry. Because he knew he was about to have his ass whooped. Look
Ready?
at her face.
Oh.
Break the egg.
I knew it.
That actually hurts, stupid. That really hurt because if you try to crack it and it doesn't crack, the impact it makes is even it's even worse than when it does crack. So that actually really hurt, and she did it like 3 times. You stupid, bruh. You stupid. Why?
Don't do that. Why did you do that?
1, 2, 3.
Hey, that wasn't very nice. That wasn't very nice. Ah, got it. Can I do it?
Can I do it?
Say 1.
She has been colonized, bruh. She's been colonized. God damn. Now she thinks her head is the egg cracker. Oh shit.
2.
Stop it! Stop it!
You ready?
Yeah. I don't like that.
That's cute. Their reactions are killing me. Some of them will pause like few seconds and then before they can process what happened and then they start crying. It's funny.
Your turn.
To the bowl. Crack it like. Up. Okay, alright, go.
Hi, we're making fried Oreos.
Okay, here's an egg for you. You gonna crack it?
Gotta crack them.
They knew to let him go first. She knew, I mean. Oh.
Did you crack it?
Yeah, it's so sweet and it's so funny when they get the joke and they go in with the joke. But if they have no idea and they start crying, I don't like it. But if they go along with the joke and they start laughing, it's funny, bro.
What's wrong with you? That hurt.
Man, the whole time we saw the ladies cracking their eggs on their male partner's head, right? We didn't see any reaction from the guy like hitting the girl, whatever. The only one time we saw in the opposite way, the male partner cracking the egg on the female partner. She smacked him.
There's a TikTok thing. Look at those people. How many people?
Bro, what the fuck is wrong with you?
I'm making eggs for you. Aren't you hungry?
The fuck, bro? Are you fucking serious, dude? Are you
Aren't you
serious?
fucking hungry or not? You want to eat or not? I'll stir it up for you.
Yeah.
Now eat it.
What the fuck, bro? Give that shit to your fucking dad. I ain't gonna be eating that shit.
She was pissed, right? He didn't hit her. Yeah, ladies, man.
All right, we baking a cake, y'all. Baking a cake. We get ready to bust the egg. All right.
That's way too much.
Sorry, Ava.
But that's way too much. Way too hard.
Carter, come stop the video. You sorry. You mad at me? You mad at me, Ava?
Yes.
You is.
She gotta be.
It was just a prank, okay?
That's the plan.
Sorry. Carter, come stop the video. Put all that damn laugh. You gonna get me back?
Yeah, parents, man.
Let me cut this egg.
What the hell?
Yeah, crack it.
So guys, we getting ready to try a new recipe with the kids. Wait. How many eggs is this? Count.
1.
You gotta count. How many eggs?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So now we have to crack 2 eggs. First we gotta crack 2 eggs. You ready, Daddy?
Yeah.
Hold on, me and Daddy gonna crack them first, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Did I hit your head?
It's a sweet family, yo. I want something like that.
I don't like that.
Don't
Cutting
either.
the eggs.
You're cracking it. Okay.
Stop that.
Why should do it all that?
Hey, that wasn't very nice. That wasn't very nice. Can I do it to you?
Bro. That's one egg.
Hey, come on.
Did you violate it?
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Why? And then he's gonna do another one and another one and another one. Before you know it, they run out of eggs.
I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished, nah, bitch, I just begun. I ain't giving out no nutty to no.
Bro, just stop. You're not doing it. Just stop. Stop wasting the eggs, bro. Stop.
Nigga just for fun, are you dumb? Run a man, I don't know what
Another one.
Run it up. You fuck like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands.
Let's start wasting about 3 eggs.
I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo. I carry bitches like I'm Prego. Get around with nigga call Petro. Suck a nigga, shoulda knew it from the get.
What? Why? When he thinks he's useless in the kitchen, that's crazy, bro.
Baby, what are you doing?
Bro, what? Oh, yeah, you see, if there's anybody's head who will be duped for this egg cracking thing, is this bro right here. This bro got a head That is so perfect for this challenge right here, bro. I'm glad we have this one. This is the only head York could have used, and I'll be like, okay. What is going on with bro's beards, bro? Like, what is going on with bro's beards? Look at this. Bro has a ponytail. Bro look like throwback to Relays, bro. His head is perfect for this challenge. So guys,
What?
oh, no,
So you
no,
want 3?
no, bro has a hair. It's just weird, bro. What, bro? Look, bro has a whatever this is called, strand, ponytail, whatever this is called. What? I thought it was just the beards and the ponytail, but nah, bro got something else here.
I'm good with 2. What's wrong with you?
I wanted him to like turn so we could like see behind. I wish he had done that. That would be nice.
That's not actually.
The way he's shocked.
Christy.
What?
Bro, I would pick you up, right? I would pick you the fuck up, run with you inside the bedroom, put you flat on the bed, and you know where we headed.
Christy, what are you doing?
You said you wanted me to cook more.
I would want my girl to play with me like this. Oof, you gonna learn. You gonna learn. I'm picking your ass up. I ain't even playing. Picking your ass up. Knocked out straight.
Like that? I'm still cooking. Oh, what?
So what the hell was that, bro?
Gonna crack an egg.
This one?
Ready? Okay, grab it with your hand. We go bang, bang, and then good job! You did.
So we're gonna cook breakfast. What are we gonna do?
But there's eggs.
Eggs. We're gonna crack an egg.
Yeah.
All right, you guys. So the first thing you do is
Boom.
Oh.
what? That didn't hurt, did it?
Oh, so that
You what? Is it crack an egg? Oh.
That's the end of the video. Damn, that was funny, bro. Y'all parents, y'all are mean. Y'all are some mean ass parents out there. You guys are mean. Well, anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Like, comment, and share to your friends. Put a smile on someone's face, someone that you care about. You feel me? And I trust you having a good day, a good morning, a good evening whenever you're seeing this video. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. And by the way, we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. I didn't say this for a long time. We're currently at what? Almost 500. So let's keep going. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everyone who is watching these videos, commenting, liking, and subscribing. God bless you all for real, for real. And if you want to be part of the family, you know what to do. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And we out. Peace.